Well guys, I'm fixing to show you how to lower the back seats on a Nissan Sentra. Now this is a 2025 model that I'm fixing to demonstrate it on, but I also did one on a 2019 model a few years ago and it don't look like it's changed much. So pretty much any model you've got of these Nissan Sentras that I know of, this is going to work. So hey, let's get in and I'll show you how it's done. Okay, when you look inside the car on the back seat, right by the headrest, you see a little knob right here. All you do is you pull it up and your seat will fold right down. Now let's go to the other side and we'll do it. All right, on the passenger side, the same way. You just reach in, grab the little knob, pull it up, seat folds right down. There's kind of a shot what it looks like with the seats folded down. Put them back up. All you do is grab them, put them back till they click into place. Well guys, I know that was pretty quick and right to the point, but hopefully it got you the information you needed to know. So hey, if this helped you out, hey, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, check out my other YouTube videos. Till next time, catch you later.